In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make these beautiful earrings. This is Banner's channel and welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. By the request of so many of you, I've been adding English audio instructions to my latest videos so you can easily adjust the subtitle to your own language. For making these models, I used a lace yarn and a hook with the size of 0.85. The first step is to create this long cord. For the tutorial, I'm using a super fine yarn and a bigger hook with the size of 1.5 mm. For starters, we begin with 6 chains. And in each chain, 1 single crochet. And in the last chain, add another single crochet, and overall we have 6 single crochet stitches. Now turn the work 90 degrees and make single crochet stitches in the back loops. Overall, we have 5 single crochet stitches. For the next row, in the back loops of first stitches of the previous rows, I'm pulling the thread out and doing a single crochet. And once again, in the back loops of second stitches, I'm doing a single crochet. We do this 4 times and 4 single crochet stitches. Now for the 5th one, it's a bit different. This time, I'm taking the 2 side loops and do a single crochet. Repeat row 3 till you reach your desired length for this cord. This step needs some creativity, and we can literally just fold the cord in different styles and angles. And when we figured out the folding style by using a thread and a needle, we start to sew the common spots to make the cord form and get stable. And at the end, we need to sew or glue the beads to the earrings. And that's how we could create stylish earrings with a simple cord. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and hit subscribe to my channel.